The guide is the best way to scan what programs are available on each channel at a given time. To access the guide, press Guide on your remote. To navigate the guide, use the up and down arrows on your remote to see what programs are available and a description. Use the left and right arrows to view up to 3 days of past and 12 days of future programming. Or use the Skip button to move ahead 12 hours or the Replay button to move back 12 hours. To get back to what programs are currently available, press the green D button on your remote and jump to Now. To watch a current program, highlight the program and press OK on your remote to preview. Press OK again to view the program full screen. Press Guide on your remote multiple times to switch the list of available channels to All, Subscribed, which are channels in your TV package, or any favorites list that you create. You will see which list you are currently viewing under the preview box to the right of the current time. To exit the guide, press Exit on your remote. For additional help with your cable service, call the CFU Help Desk at 319-268-5221, Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to midnight, or weekends 8 a.m. to midnight.